Hello again, everybody. First and foremost, I hope you all continue to be safe and well in what are obviously still very strange times at the moment. As you have hopefully seen last week on the school website, our head teacher, Mr. Turton, he uploaded a video just introducing himself and obviously gave information about both himself and the school, which hopefully you found really useful last week. Now, from now on, every single week, from now up until the end of the summer term, we'll be doing a little assembly every single week that's covering different topics to try and make that transition, obviously, at the moment, as smooth as it can possibly be. Now, as I would hope you are all aware by now, rollover for this year has been cancelled, obviously, unfortunately, due to the school closures caused by COVID-19. Now, all new items students will therefore be starting at Romash on Wednesday, the 2nd of September 2020. Now, obviously, those first couple of days, the first week will be a transition week. Okay, so the aim of that first week will be to allow students to familiarise themselves with school, to get used to both members of staff at school and also the school itself as well. And it will allow students just to get used a little bit more to life at Romash. Now, there's a lot of information already on the school website regarding both transition and life at Romash as well. So you may have seen a few weeks ago, there was a key information video which was published on the school website, which covered both transition and life at Romash as well. And on Wednesday, the 17th of June, we also had our Meet the Tutor event, which is a brilliant event in which you were able to obviously meet your tutor, put a face to a name, to working out who your tutor will be in September. And also, it's also covered key bits of information regarding transition and life at Romash as well. However, despite all this information on there, we still understand that lots of people were very worried about joining Romash in September. So normally we have this rollover period in the summer to help alleviate any worries and doubts that you may have. But obviously, unfortunately, this had to be cancelled at the minute due to the current school closure in the COVID-19 situation. So normally we have this rollover period to help students get settled before they start in September. However, obviously this year it can't happen. However, don't panic. We have got plans in place, as you can already see, for September. So it won't be simply the case of when you first come in September, you won't be going straight into your lessons. We've got the first week to make sure you can get used to the school, get used to your new members of staff, and obviously the school itself to make that transition as good as it can possibly be. Now, it is completely natural to be worried about joining a new school. Obviously, some of you may be still worried, despite all the information that's out there. Some of you may still have some worries about joining Romash in September. It is completely natural, okay? Do not please feel like you were the only person worried about joining a new school, okay? So it won't only be you worried about joining a new school, okay? Well, obviously, other people as well, and adults as well, they all get worried all the time, okay? If adults are, for example, having to start a new job, having to move into a new house, yeah, adults will still get worried about situations as well. Being worried is completely natural, okay? It is nothing to be ashamed of. It just shows that you care about the situation. You want to make sure that the situation goes as well as it possibly can. Okay, so it's completely natural to be worried about joining Romash in September. It's nothing to be concerned about whatsoever. Now, you may be worried about several different things, okay? You might be worried about thinking, I'm going to join in September and I'm going to get lost. What am I going to do when I come up? Am I going to make new friends? Obviously, I've got friends from primary school, but will they still be friends with me when I join in September? I've got to start my new lessons. I'm going to start doing new subjects, which I've not done before. I'm worried about that. How am I going to get to know my new teachers? Obviously, in primary school, you maybe have one or two key teachers you may have. But when you come to secondary school at Romash, you're going to have lots of different teachers. And you'll be worried about how you're going to get used to that as well. I understand there'll be lots of different thoughts and worries going around your head at the moment, okay, regarding joining, and that is completely natural, okay? Being worried about these things just shows that you want to make the best of your life at Romash, and when you join in September, you want it to go as good as it possibly can. Now, the best thing you can do if you've got any worries about joining school, okay, or any worries at all, is to talk to somebody, okay? Talking to somebody is the best thing you can ever do when you've got any worries, okay? Even if the person you are speaking to cannot directly solve your problem, okay? By speaking to someone, it'll help just calm your worries a little bit, okay? And it'll make you feel a little bit more relaxed about the situation, okay? You may have heard the phrase, a problem shared is a problem halved, okay? And simply by talking to somebody, that really helps you to calm your worries down and make you feel a little bit better about the situation. Okay, whenever I've got any worries, okay, the best thing I ever got told again was just to talk to somebody. Okay, if you're worried, the person you're talking to may not be able to solve the situation, but they may be able to just calm you down, give you some bits of advice which can then use as well. Now, there's obviously a lot of information which is already on the school website regarding transition, regarding both transition itself and life at Romash too. However, do not panic if you do not know all the information that is published on the school website before you join in September. You are not expected to. I understand there's a lot of information which has been put on in the last couple of weeks regarding transition, regarding the first day in September, regarding your tutor group, regarding detention rooms, that kind of stuff, okay? You are not expected to know all this information by heart before you join in September. This information has been put on there to help you try and get a little bit of a flavour of the school, to get you used to how it works, that kind of stuff. Okay, but it won't be a case of you coming in September and you having to do a test saying, right, you've got an hour, write down everything you know about Romash. That is not going to happen. Obviously, those first couple of days in September, we'll do a lot of activities regarding transition, making sure you get to know your way around the school, meeting new staff, that kind of stuff. Okay, help ease that transition, make it as good as it can possibly be. So please do not feel overwhelmed by all the information on the school website. There'll be lots of it on there. You might want to have a look at a couple of things, but don't feel like you need to learn it all by heart before you join in September. Now, there's a frequently asked questions video which talks about a lot of the worries that you may have and what students often have when they first come and join us at Romash, such as what happens if I get lost, what happens if I forget my equipment, what happens if I lose my mobile phone, that kind of stuff. So this video that covers a lot of the questions that you may have before you join. So I'd recommend watching that video if you can. But if you have any worries which you feel are not covered in this video, or you've looked at the information on the school website and you're still worried about something, please feel free to get in touch. Okay, you'll see my contact details at the end of this assembly today. So I'd recommend just getting in touch if you've still got any worries whatsoever, and we'll be able to help as much as we can. Now, as I've previously said, there's a lot of information published on the school website regarding transition. You can see it there underneath. And if you go log into the school website, if you're going to the Transition 2020 section, you'll see lots of information which is published. There'll be newsletters, videos, there'll be key little resources on there you can all use as well. Okay. Obviously, I recommend as well looking at the Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram page too, where you see updates. If, for example, if a new document has been published on the Transition 2020 section as well. There's a lot of information on that website, which will hopefully help to alleviate any worries that you may have. But despite that, if you're still something you're worried about in there, talk to somebody. Okay, talk to your brothers or sisters. Maybe you've already been to Romash. Okay, talk to your parents, talk to your carers as well. Okay, even if you haven't got brothers or sisters who've been to Romash, just talking to them. Okay, and saying I'm a bit worried about this. Having a little conversation will help you make you feel much better about the situation. And obviously, from there, they might say, have you looked at the school website regarding this? There might be some information on there. And if not, get in touch, and we're happy to help in any possible way that we can. Now, you'll remember from the Meet the Tutor event a couple of weeks ago, we mentioned the Romash Pledge, okay, and obviously regarding what the Romash Pledge is, how it's linked to the Romash Way, and the different calendars and what you all have a go at. Now, when we start in September, we're going to really launch this, okay, 100 miles an hour when we start in September. But at the moment, okay, we want you to try and get a flavour and try and do as many pledges as you can whilst you are at home. Now, the pledge I would like to focus on this week, okay, is on We Believe in Ourselves. And the bronze pledge for We Believe in Ourselves is to write down a list of your strengths and areas for development and present it to your form. Okay, so it'd be brilliant if while you're at home, you can make a little note of what you feel your strengths are and what you feel your weaknesses are. Okay, don't worry, nobody's going to judge you. Okay, it's just trying to make sure you can believe in yourself and think, right, these are my strengths and these are my weaknesses. Okay, it's completely natural. Okay, to think 1 minute, this is what I'm good at. This is what I'm not good at. Okay, it may be that you might think, right, I'm really good at English, but I sometimes have some difficulties with maths. Okay, but it's completely natural, and it's one of the things we want you to do is try and think about, right, what are your strengths and weaknesses, so that when you join in September, we can think, right, keep building your strengths up, but with your weaknesses, how can you help build those up? And before you join in September, it'd be brilliant if you can get a little list which you can then bring to your tutor and share when you first come up. So the pledge challenge for this week, We Believe in Ourselves, is to write down a list of your strengths and areas for development and present it to your form group. Now, I hope you found information, obviously, today regarding worries joining Romash to be useful. If you have any more questions at all, please feel free to email jbartle@romash.org, and I'll be more than happy to obviously answer any questions or concerns that you may have. Please keep an eye on the Transition 2020 section of the school website, where more videos and assemblies will be published in the coming weeks. Thank you for joining us again today, guys. I look forward to speaking to you all again soon. Cheers. Bye.